Yo guys, it's Phil. Hey, I know it's been a minute, but I got some carbon fiber parts for the car, and I'm super excited about it. The thing I'm probably most excited about is the GT500, a replica spoiler. It's solid carbon fiber. I freaking love it. I'm excited about it. Can't even speak right. I'm so excited about it, but it's coming in super soon, and I also have some other carbon fiber stuff in the mail coming to me. But today something showed up, and I wanted to show it to you guys. I got carbon fiber for the Mustang steering wheel. So I have a 2019 Mustang GT Premium. So, you know, the normal steering wheel, it's got metal accents and stuff on there, even though you've got the, I have the performance pack on it. So it's got some like brushed aluminum on the dash and whatnot, but the steering wheel needed some love. And so I'm going to show you guys what I got, but this thing's pretty cool. I freaking love it. Shout out to my boys at Carbonbargain. Mention my name, BLB3 Motors, and they will hook you guys up. I was like, hey, how should I let my subscribers know about your stuff? And they're like, just mention Phil, just mention your name. Don't mention Phil, mention BLP3 Motors, because nobody knows me as Phil. This BLP3, but I mean, I digress. You guys want to see the stuff. So let's get to it, but shout out to Carbonbargain. I'll put a link in the description below. I believe the package that I have on here is about $30. I could be wrong. I'm shooting this video. I gotta double check the prices. But anyway, guys, hey, I appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video, share, all that good stuff. But really excited about this. Let's take a look. So, guys, the carbon fiber piece is basically where they're gonna fit. Is there's a piece that's gonna go right here, a piece that's gonna go right here, and then there's actually a piece that goes right here. So hopefully it looks good. Again, shout out to Carbonbargain. They're my dudes. But let's see how it ends up looking. You know, again, this is I think a $30 modification. I guess you can call it modification, but I'm excited. And I'm hopefully going to be adding a lot more carbon fiber like here, maybe even just this outline and then this right here, but some door stuff, who knows. I got some stuff coming, and the louvers are coming in too. So yeah, let's get going. But God, the digital dash just looks so good. All right, guys, so check it out. Here's the centerpiece, the carbon fiber. Here's a close look. And so it outlines the horse here. It kind of fits. It's got 3M tape on the back, but this ended up being really nice. And then this piece here, you kind of have to like line it up. They give you a little cleany thing to clean the surface, and it helps the whatever the material is used to stick better. I think it's a primer. I don't know. I'm not sure with the technical stuff, but this turned out really, really good. Here's this other piece here. I also am getting some like rubbing here, so that was interesting. I was trying to shoot the video a different way, but the car just looking super dirty. I'm gonna have to clean this guy big time. But so these are the pieces. This turned out really, really good, and yeah, so I think it's like around $30. You should totally pick this up, because it just makes the car look just a little extra, you know, little extra-ish. All right, guys, so there you have it. Those are the carbon fiber pieces that go on the steering wheel. Again, it's a really cool ad. You know, my thing with Mustangs is that there's a billion of them on the road. I mean, that's a little exaggeration, but there's a ton. In my town, you know, again, there's like 7 white ones that are all relatively the same, spec'd out just a little different, and most people can't tell the difference. And so I was wanting something that's a little more unique, especially when I go to car shows and different things like that. So there's going to be more carbon fiber additives on the inside. Speaking of additives, the gas cap came in, and so we're going to be doing another video on putting on the gas cap and showing you kind of how it looks. So again, with my build on the outside, whenever there's black on the car, it's going to be carbon fiber, and we're still deciding on the Euro headlights, if I want to keep them red or if I want to go white. And eventually we're going to get the carbon fiber hood up front. It's like, I think $1,600 to $1,800 with shipping. So it's a good chunk of change, and so we're saving up and getting that, so that's on the way. But yeah, so white and carbon fiber, that's the look. And then once that's done, we're going to be doing the front fender panels and then the front bumper, getting that in the GT500 style. So you got the side scoops, and then you've got the cool just GT front end. Get those painted, and then figure out what to do. So anyway, guys, there's a lot of good stuff coming on the channel. I hope you guys are safe and healthy, and I will catch you guys on the next one.